Welcome. In front of me I have the Marshall Emberton little Bluetooth speaker, and today I will just go over unboxing of this product and maybe a quick little sound test, though I don't know how well that will come out on the microphone right here, but I guess I'll still try. Anyway, this is a speaker that costs about like $100 to $120 depending like where you get it. I'm looking right now on just where I'm from, and it comes at around about $100 at the cheapest price, and well, about 150 at more expensive, which is a massive price discrepancy. But anyway, I'll just get straight to it. Actually, before I open it up, there's a little bit of an info back here. So we have signature sound. I'm pretty sure they just mean that it's tuned for like equalized for like rock music, as this is Marshall. We have 20 hours of portable playback, which actually is really nice, with IPX7 water resistance, which is also a fairly decent one, so you shouldn't really worry about it. Though IPX7, I think it's only like splash resistant, because there is IPX60, I think 8, which 6 stands for dust and 8 stands for water, and 8 would be fully submerged while 7 is below that, I think. So you might want to make sure, because even though it says water resistant design, it actually might not be. So you might want to be worried about like how much water you can get on it. So something to actually look into, because water resistant design doesn't really say that the actual speaker is water resistant. So yeah, anyway, we have some multi-design control knob, whatever, portable speak obviously, and Bluetooth connection. So basically a bunch of obvious stuff that you would expect from a device that supposedly is a portable speaker. So anyway, just pop it straight open. So there's nothing here, it's just a little cardboard to keep the speaker safe. Get some paperwork right here. Quick start guide, whatever, no one cares. Yep, so that's basically all we get in there. Charging cable and the speaker. So it is Type-C, so that's really nice. I do have to say I really like the design. It looks really nice. Now the actual body of the speaker is, I think, like rubberized. It does have a feel like that. So anyway, let's see if there's any battery. Come on, any button turns it on. Okay, there we go. Now the battery signature, oh, so good. So anyway, I'm gonna quickly try to connect it, see how well that goes. And I'll probably be doing something really atrocious, which is not playing rock music through this, just because no copyright sounds wins here, with no copyright strikes. So let's connect it. Just selected it right now. It's apparently pairing. Pair failed. Okay, that's interesting. Maybe it's now in pairing mode. Ah, there we go. So I did take it out of pairing mode before. Anyway, let's go into my music and make sure that I don't go deaf here. Gonna move a little bit along this song just to find a bit more lively portions. Let's actually find something more suited for this. Hopefully no copyright will be issued here. We'll try to keep it under like 30 seconds. So this will be a very brief, but I think it's really needed to actually go with this speaker, because obviously it kind of sounds a little bit flat when it comes down to songs like I just played right now. So for those songs, probably JBL or Bose will be a much better suited options. So let's see how well it plays with some actual like rock songs. Now let's see if I can quickly find one. Maybe Tool. Let's see.
Who are you to one till you pull it out? You're most of them.
Okay, yeah, that sounds definitely decent. So anyway, to finish this off, for $100, this is actually a really nice speaker. The design of it is really obviously interesting. As you can see, it's probably one of the main selling points. And also that little knob right here. We have the volume up and down, we have skips, and probably if you just press it, it will play and pause. So let's see that. Yep, so as expected. Pairing button and a really nice battery indication, which this should be a feature on every device. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.